Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my messy garage. We're going to do something a little bit different today. Recently, Tesla released an update that affected my 2019 Model 3 that now allows for the Chamberlain MyQ garage door opener system to be used from in the car. Why this is also good news is I've been looking for a better option than hauling around a garage door opener when I'm out on the bike during the summer, and really haven't found anything that worked well. I looked at putting on some buttons onto the bike and a bunch of different stuff. Nothing that really grabbed my attention. So when I saw this, I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a try. They were offering a great special. I think I paid $8 including shipping to get the hardware here. And the app was free to download. I think there's a subscription if I want to use it in the car, but as far as I can tell, if I'm using it through just my phone, I don't need a subscription, but I'm going to get the subscription for a year anyway. We'll give it a try in the car. But what's really cool is this system also has a Siri command that I should be able to use through my new Cardo helmet communication system. So we're going to try that out. But today, we're going to get on installing this MyQ garage door opener. So basically, here's what came in the package. You've got a door sensor, a communication hub, or a Wi-Fi hub, I guess, and a bracket to keep the communication hub attached to the wall, and a few screws. So the first thing we got to do is get the app set up on the phone. So I've already downloaded it, I've created a profile, and so we're going to go ahead and open it here. And according to the instructions, which were absolutely horrendous, I need to set up the app, which is then going to set up the hub, which will then connect it to my Wi-Fi. So let's see how this goes here. So we're going to go over here, we're going to select the garage door hub. Got the smart control, and yes, I've got that, I've got that, I've got that, and that should be all good. I'm ready to go. So the first thing they want us to do is power up the head unit. So let's give that a go. Got it plugged in here. I'll just go ahead and plug that in like so. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and hit next on the app, and it should be discovering it. And it's trying to connect. All right, it wants to pair, so we'll say yes, allow the pairing. All right, now it wants me to connect to my Wi-Fi, so we're gonna go ahead and connect to get off my LAN. We'll put in my super secret password. All right, and it is thinking. Looks like we got some action happening. I think that green light's good news. All right, so it says to remove the tab that gets the battery. Remove that tab, and it wants us to push the button. All right, well, let's see if this pairs. All right, we had a beep. All right, looks like we're all paired. So the next thing it wants me to do is connect this sensor to my garage door. So the first thing we got to do is flip it over and install the little sticky things. I hate peeling this plastic crap off. Come on, you bastard. All right, there we go. There's one. We'll stick that right there. All right, we'll put that second one right down here. All right, so I went ahead and peeled the protective covering off the sticky on this side, and it says to put it on the top panel of the door with the MyQ logo facing up. So let's see how this goes. All right, I think that's on. It's not going anywhere. All right, now we got to pair the unit to the motor. So I need to choose what brand I have, and I have a LiftMaster. And I have a purple button on my LiftMaster. All right, we're gonna go up and press and release this, see how this goes. They say push it like a doorbell. So let's see how this goes. All right, and it tells us it's pairing. It's doing something. Well, I think we got something happening here. That's good news. All right, and we are done pairing. What's next? We're going to call that garage door. We do not have a second door. And now we just got to install the hub. Let's get at it. So they make this pretty straightforward. One side, I don't know if you can see it there, is labeled with the screw. The other side is not screw, so I'm just going to go ahead and pin this to the header up here and get her connected. All right, screws are in. Now this thing should just snap into place. Let's see how easy this is. Oh, too easy. All right, let's see what's next. We did that, we did that, did that. We didn't have to do that. And she is connected. All right. Unit installed, less than 15 minutes. Let's test this out from the app. So this is pretty slick. We're gonna go ahead and hit open. And not much happens up here. Garage door goes. So the system knows that the garage door is open, but watch what happens when we hit close here. This is pretty slick. Little safety system to let anybody know that that door is going to be closing. Pretty cool. All right, let's see if we can get this connected to the car. We'll link this to my MyQ account. Scan the QR code. We'll sign in. All right, and she wants us to authorize the Tesla. Let's go authorize and see what happens. Account is linked. Start my 30-day free trial. Yes, I will, please. Terms and condition, and activate. And there we go. All right, so let's give this a try. Open garage. Looks like it's working. All right, and let's try closing the garage. There's the fancy warning. All right, well, I guess that means the garage door opener is installed. It works from the car, it works from the phone. I guess I'm going to try this 30-day trial out and we'll see how it goes. So, hope this was maybe useful for you, and until next time, this is Whiskey and Rides.